Hello everyone. I've decided to draw another urban house, two-storied house this time. Simple materials, just a mechanical pencil, to start with, just putting in some of the main elements such as the roof and the main structure of the building. I put in a few lines to start with just to give me a guide where I need to put some of the main structure areas. So in the front is an island railing fence and a gate at the side. And there's quite a few windows in this house. Being a two-storied house, it's very almost regal. It's got this old English look to the design. So I'm just putting in some of the main windows at the front. Just to put in where things are going to be and not focusing on detail or anything like that, but just laying in the elements. So the bottom part of this window is divided up into two sections. Along here is, at the side of the house, is a trellis fence, probably for training roses, something like that. And there's also a tree here. I'll put that in the side there just to give it a little bit of structure. So the trellis, of course, is like a little grid put there. And so we're beginning to get a sense of the structure now and how it's set out. So just to do some work on the roof and then put main windows on the upper story in. Certainly the house itself would be well lit inside with all these windows, and it's probably got very high ceilings, And those chimneys would be very handy in the winter time because I'm sure it would be a cold house unless it was properly insulated. So this is where the front door resides. Put that in with a window in there and another window perhaps. And that will have steps going down. And so here we are again with some more windows. Two large windows. Arched. They're coming along. They look amazing, really. And so the general design is almost there. More windows. To give it a lovely, even, well-designed structure. We've got most of the elements in there now. For the overall house. So I'll just put a bit of brick detail on the sides there just to make it look more ornate. One thing about this sort of idea is that if you wanted to draw the same sort of design, you could put more elements in or take more elements out. It would be up to you. But you can see how easy it looks. It's not complicated structure. It's just a mass of squares and triangles mainly, and oblongs. And when you put it into that sort of perspective, it's easy to construct. So I'll just fill in some colour at the end. The colours are probably a little bit bright on the lower part, but it was just to brighten it up a little bit and give it some